But I wanted to show you this light. Now there's where the battery goes, and it's a D battery. And the D battery, you put it in with the bump, which I think is the positive end of it, to the back. This is the switch, and then over here in the living room, there is the light. So ideally, what you can do is slide this switch around. Right here, slide it into position so that this bottom part connects with the base of the battery. Just twist that, and then look at there. The light comes on. Isn't that just adorable? I just love it. I cannot believe that that works. Now to turn it off, you switch this. You just slide this little part here back down. That switch just slides down. Isn't that just the very, very coolest? I had no idea that one of these would still work. Now, if you have one of these and you're going to try it, please note that you have to have the light actually mounted in the ceiling or contacted with metal to complete the circuit. So if you're just holding this light down loose and trying to test it, it won't come on. But to make sure it works, you need to have it hooked up into the ceiling so that will ground that connection. I love it. And look at those cute stairs. We're going to take one more look at this house. Hold on a minute.